Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to install Ubuntu alongside with Windows. This is also commonly known as dual booting. Alright, first we're just going to start by going to ubuntu.com, it's right there. Click on download, and now they'll give you three options. You can download and install it, or you can just try it from a CD or USB stick, which is running it from a USB. That's another video though. We're just going to run it with Windows. So click that. Start the download. And it should start downloading. Once the download's complete, it should look like this. Just open it. Run. And the installer's fairly simple. It should just be next, 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 next. I already have it installed, but you shouldn't really have any trouble installing this. And if you do, please leave a comment and I'll make a video going through the actual install. But once you finish, it'll just ask you to restart, and we restart it. Okay, once we've installed it, let's restart and turn on our laptop. And you should see this screen here. It should ask you to choose between Windows 7 or Ubuntu. Let's just pick Ubuntu. And it should just start Ubuntu right away. And just click on the first one. And for the first time, it'll ask you to install stuff. So just go next, next, next through the process. And if you have any troubles or any questions, please contact me or leave a comment. Okay, so now that we're all settled with Ubuntu, let me apologize for the sound because I know that it's bad because it's an Ubuntu video recorder. Anyway, let's get started. First off, let's start off with the terminal. People have this problem when they don't understand what I mean when I say go to the root. Going to the root simply means just typing in sudo-i, press enter, type in a password if you have one. Oopsies, did it wrong. There you go. Now you're at the root. It's simple as that. Now here's another popular error that a lot of people get. When they type in -dump-ng wlan 0, they get this error. Okay, now this error happens because if you've already done that Wi-Fi hacking in my first video, then you've changed the configuration of the internet device WLAN 0. Therefore, you need to change it again to reset it. So let's just do that. Let's type if config WLAN 0 down iwconfig WLAN 0 mode managed if config WLAN 0 up iwconfig WLAN 0 channel. And now here you can type in any channel because we haven't started our cracking yet, so we don't know the channel. So I just randomly type in any channel like 6. You could put in 9, you could put in 11, you could put in anything you want. I just use 6. And then let's continue. If config WLAN 0 down iwconfig WLAN 0 mode monitor, and finally if config WLAN 0 up. Now your WLAN 0 device should be reset, and let's open a new terminal and find out if our error is fixed. I usually just press Control Shift N, and that just opens a new terminal. Go to the root, sudo-i, and let's try it again. Dump-ng WLAN 0, and boom, it works. Okay, if you guys have any more questions, I'll be more than glad to help you, and I'm sorry that this video took so long, but I hoped I helped many people out there. And please, like me or thumbs up me or whatever YouTube's using nowadays. Thanks.